Okay, so 2 weeks ago I made a video about how to make your first $100 by selling stock footage. Today, I'm gonna shoot some stock footage with my iPhone here in Jiufen. So for those who don't know, Jiufen is one of the places that inspired the movie Spirited Away. It's an animation, it's really great animation. So we're at Jiufen and we're gonna just shoot something with my iPhone and see if it works. Let's go. So if you're recording with the native camera app on iPhone, a quick tip to shoot stock footage is to keep the focus locked. So when you click record button and whatever you want to stay focused on, you hold it and you will see that this autofocus lock. So the focus wouldn't shift anymore because if you're shooting a stock footage and then if someone just came into your composition and then the focus just starts to shift everywhere, your footage might not get accepted. So if you want your whole focus to stay intact on your subject, you lock, you tap on whatever you want, you hold it, it will show autofocus lock and you know you're good. So make sure you do that. You can also play with the exposure. If your subject is too bright, you can go up, or you go up, the exposure go brighter. If you go down, it go darker. So yeah, that's a quick tip. So after I went back home, I immediately uploaded all of the footage that I shot on to blackbox.com. For those who don't know, that's the website I use to sell my stock footage. If you want to know more about it, link down in the description. I made a video about it. And here we are 5 days later, all of the footage got approved by Blackbox. And to be honest, Blackbox is actually quite strict with their quality control. I legit thought that some of the footage will got rejected, but like for my standard, it's not that good. But obviously Blackbox, the team from Blackbox think that it's good enough to be sold to stock footage websites, so they accepted it. So from this, I think there's a few things to learn from it. One is that don't look down on your smartphone. I'm using an iPhone XR and I shot in low light situation. Forget about shooting in the day and your footage still got accepted. I was shooting at night, but obviously there was some lanterns, still some light, but it was actually still very, very dark. The second thing that I learned from is that if you really put enough effort and time into practicing and being a better filmmaker, don't be afraid to send your work to stock footage website. I think there's a huge chance that you'll get accepted. Don't think that it's not good enough. But I'm not talking about those who don't practice and they just shoot some very bad stuff and see if it will get accepted. I'm talking about those who really put time into practicing their craft and their skills. I'm sure for those who are spending time working on their craft and learning from other good filmmakers, your stuff will be good enough and get accepted. So the whole point of this video is for you guys to understand that when you're having a good time with your partner or with your family members, everything that you shoot is not, you're not going to upload everything on Instagram. The remaining things that you didn't upload on Instagram, some good videos at the beach or when you go hiking, these things, you can make money from it. You can really make some money from it, especially if you're a good filmmaker. We are really living in an era where technology is just extremely advanced. You have these cameras that take extremely beautiful pictures and it's just in your pocket, and also these websites that automate everything for you and save you a lot of time. You might as well just combine these two together and make some money from it. That's the whole point of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.